Hey guys, I'm your host and guy 12345, and today let's talk about another amazing off the charts series that will blow your mind. But wait, Megumi is coming. She's coming. Ah! So today we're going to be talking about a series that made me feel jealousy. Jealousy that came from admiration. If you've seen the artwork in this masterpiece, you'll know what I mean. But the emotions that a mangaka can portray through his story are very limited. But someone like Takehiko Inoue can do this so seamlessly with his art that it becomes unreal, otherworldly to be exact. And if you still haven't figured out the series I'm talking about, you are in for a ride. We are talking about a series that lit a flame of inspiration yet was left unfinished. Vagabond is a series worthy of the title Masterpiece. Now, the character of Shinmen Takezo, who later became the unbeatable, legendary Miyamoto Musashi, had such a journey through these chapters and volumes that I felt I was watching a person who was growing from a child with drive to becoming so much more wiser. His character, although changing throughout the story, always had the personality of that Shinmen Takezo. The brash, arrogant child who was impatient and never really made the best decisions. Sure, Musashi, as he grew, he became wiser, he became stronger, he became much more rational, but he still had the essence of that kid. That same kid who played with Otsu and Matahachi had grown into someone respectable. This shows the beauty of Vagabond because it brings out what it means to be a human. It brings out the meaning of growth. Musashi was the son of Shinmen Munisai. Now, Musashi's father was absurdly strong, and he was always harsh towards him. And this led Shinmen Takezo to a goal to become stronger, a goal to become stronger than the man he thought he hated, the strongest in the world. And he grew towards that goal. He fought for it. Musashi had shown growth for the first time when he fought against Inshin. He had the raw power, but he hadn't made the change in his mind to overcome an obstacle. This led him to lose for the first time. But after he grew, after he trained with the old man, and when Inshin arrived for the rematch, Inshin knew Musashi was bigger, not only physically, but also at heart. He accepted his surroundings and became one with the very earth through which he wanted to become stronger. And then Inshin knew he had lost. After speaking about all these young people, why not talk about the man opposite to Munisai? Yes, this man was a caring father to a child who was not even his. He started a tale of a person who would later become the strongest opponent Musashi Miyamoto, the invincible, had ever faced. And that man is Kanemaki Jisai. He rescued a baby who he did not know, yet took pity and raised him to be a strong man. He didn't teach Sasaki Kojiro the way of the sword, yet he noticed his innate talent and pushed him to honing his skills. Completely different from Munisai, who just set the goal on Musashi's mind to catch up to Munisai and to become stronger, yet he did not teach him the way of the sword. He did not teach him what it meant to be a human, yet Kanemaki Jisai, he taught Sasaki Kojiro the way of the sword and he taught him how to be a better human being. But after talking about all these characters, I realized maybe I was looking into it too much. But the sheer brilliance of story writing and storytelling coming from Takehiko Inoue reassured me that no, what you're reading is the story of a human who grew. The story of a human who met people stronger than him but never gave up. The story of people who pushed Musashi to become a better human being. And with all of the characters in mind, I wouldn't hesitate to call this series a masterpiece. And so, this series, Vagabond, is a work of art that can be matched by no other. So, I highly suggest you check it out because this series, like I talked to you, will blow your mind. And this series can be as good as I make it seem, but because this series is not like the others, it takes a toll on your mind and makes you think So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you don't miss out on any of our other videos. Sorry if I got a little philosophical here, but I had to because damn, this series is, I mean, Vagabond is just, it's just beautiful. Before ending, I would like to thank all the health workers working on the front lines to protect us from this pandemic. Stay home, stay safe, and remember, go beyond plus ultra.